All right, so here's our second workout for this week. We're gonna do 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, meaning you'll be working out for 30 seconds and then your rest period is for 30 seconds. And then you can repeat this 3 times, 3 to 5 times if you're feeling like you really need a challenge. So your first move is a jump squat with a touchdown. You're going to keep your weight in your heels at the bottom of that squat. Really make sure they're not coming off the ground. You want to make sure your knees are not jetting over your toes super far. They're not caving in together. And we want to make sure your torso is up. So I'm not leaning forward to touch down, keeping my torso upright, and we're just touching down at the bottom. And you have a rest time, so you get 30 seconds rest, and then we'll go into the next movement. So you have about 5 seconds, and we're going to go down onto the mat. So we're going to do a high plank, shoulder tap to toe tap. So you get into your high plank, you're going to tap your other shoulder, bring your hand back to the center, and then you're going to go back to the same foot, like the same side, but to the foot. Then you'll switch sides. Really engage your core. We want to make sure your hips are not sinking down towards the mat and they're not in the air. You're going to try and keep good plank. Take it slow. Really engage your core. And you get another rest. We have about 5 seconds and we're going to go into a forward lunge. So for the lunge, you want to make sure your weight is in your heel of your front foot. It's not coming off the ground and your knee is not jetting super far over your toes. You can add the jump at the top if you want. If not, just do the lunges. That is totally good. I prefer to have my hands on my hips or on my head. And yeah, that is a forward lunge with a jump. Make sure you don't bang your knee on the ground. And you get some more rest time. All right, 5 seconds and we're gonna get back on the mat. We're gonna do a 3-point push-up. So you'll do these on your knees. Basically, you do a push-up to center, walk your hands out to the side, push-up, back to center, push-up, other side, push-up. If this is too challenging for you, please feel free to just do push-ups in one position in the center. That is totally fine. If you're up for the challenge today, then you can give this one a try. And you get 30 seconds rest again. All right, 5 seconds, you're gonna get back up and we're gonna do some jumping jacks as our last movement. So since the form is so simple for this one, we really wanna keep up our speed. So focus on your speed, keep moving, and then you'll get another rest before your next round. All right, just a couple more seconds, and good job. So if you want to redo the workout, do another round, you'll just start over from the beginning. Follow along with me. Repeat 3 times, 3 to 5 times if you're feeling up to it, and good job.